Welcome to Astrology Valley. Pick a card for singles. Congratulations on picking the Judgment card. The Judgment card is one of the most interesting cards you can get in your love life because it does suggest you can meet somebody new today and they are going to completely change your life. Judgment is ruled by Pluto, and Pluto is all about transformation. This person is going to transform your life. It might be hard in the beginning to be with this person because you might have to change some things in your life in order to meet them. This could literally mean this person is not living where you are living, or you have some type of an obstacle that you have to kind of resolve first before you get together. There is something to be overcome. It might be your fears as well. Pluto is naturally governing house number 8 in astrology, which is also about intimacy but fears as well. So you might have to overcome some fears in order to meet this person halfway, but they will be worth it. This is a person that can really transform your life for the better, that can allow you to actually reinvent yourself and become a powerful individual. House number 8, like I said, it's also about intimacy. So with this person, you could actually reach a Kundalini rising. You can actually practice tantric sex as well. That's all governed by the house 8. It's not this typical just physical interaction like it would be if it was house number 5 in question. This is a true intimacy. This is you really merging with another person and actually and you're actually aware that you're exchanging energy with this person, and the intimacy is quite different. It's kind of soul grabbing. It's very deep. It's very mesmerizing. Oh yeah, and this person could be very mesmerizing. They could be very intriguing, very alluring, very magnetic. If Pluto here is the name of the game, and that's his game. He's very alluring, very attractive, very mysterious as well. And you could also benefit from portraying those kind of traits today, especially if you're meeting somebody new, if this is your first date. You could also benefit from not putting all of the cards on the table, but slowly revealing yourself and slowly connecting to this person, because it will kind of be like a magnet. This is something like it's gonna feel like you can't escape it. Only blocks could be your fears towards like true intimacy and being vulnerable, but this is somebody who can really overcome any of those issues toward that if you just give it time, if you just try. It might be hard in the beginning, but like I said, this person is definitely worth your while, and this is somebody who will actually make really powerful companion towards everything in life. Like you could conquer the world together, you could do great things together. Pluto is all about also collective as well, so you can actually influence the collective. You too, as a unit, you could actually kind of change the world for the better, partnered, united. So it's a quite interesting card to have. Also, it can indicate that you are meeting somebody today who could actually help you conquer all your fears and traumas and transmute them into your power. Pluto is all about empowerment and using your power well. So if you have any issues, personal issues with misuse of power, this will not go unnoticed like by this person, and it is going to be something that you have to kind of resolve within this relationship. So power dynamic and power struggles could be an issue if you have like a wrong attitude towards that. Point of power is to empower others, and as long as you work with power in that manner, there will be no problems within this relationship that is coming your way. Yes, Judgment has the power to really shift your status from single to couple in no time. Like this is instant attraction. This is mesmerizing. This is, you cannot escape this grasp of maybe even it's bordering to obsession. Like, and if you have a crush somebody and you're kind of bordering on obsession, you could ask that person on a date today, and you could get a yes, or you could get a reality check. But with the Judgment, there's really no harm in trying and knowing the truth, because that's what it is about. It's about the truth. It's about knowing what's behind the veil. So also, if you're not sure about this person who you're interested in, it's also a time that you kind of reevaluate, like, what do you see in this person? Are really those the values that you want to have in your life, in a partner, in about 15-20 years from now? This is an opportunity for you to actually understand why the things are in love the way they are. Oh, if you keep on attracting the same type of person, this is especially something that can help you transmute that and to vibrate higher and to attract more deeper and meaningful relationship into your life. Judgment is a powerful card that allows you to move in a new direction. So if you have been obsessing over somebody and it's kind of not reciprocated, and the person doesn't kind of feel the same, this is your opportunity to actually move on from that person into kind of new horizons, and you could actually meet somebody new in no time, and somebody who is a perfect match for you. Now, like I said, it might be that you have to kind of reevaluate your priorities in life for this person in order that you can function together, meaning you might have to relocate, or you might have to let go of some kind of friend to be with this person. It's really is that life-changing, but it's very powerful. I cannot emphasize how powerful this card is and everything that comes with it. So it's a card for the brave ones. So I'm wishing you to be bold and to be brave and to actually take a step forward into a new life that awaits for you. So enjoy. Make sure you use this energy well, to the best of your abilities. Have fun with it. We hope this reading brought you peace, clarity, and guidance. If you want to find out more about your love life and how to improve it, click below to discover more. Thank you.